Hello everyone, myself lecturer Miss Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the topic communicable diseases from health education and community pharmacy. The topics to be covered from this our today's session are as follows: introduction to communicable diseases, mode of transmission of communicable diseases. A communicable disease is a one that is spread from one person to the another through a variety of ways that include contact with the blood and body fluids, breathing in an airborne virus, or by being bitten by an insect. Communicable diseases are caused by infectious agents that can be transmitted to susceptible individuals from an infected person or from the other animals, objects, or other environment. Infectious agents include the helminths, protozoa, bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Then next, the communicable disease is transmitted from one person to another person or from a reservoir to a susceptible host. For example, tuberculosis disease. Communicable disease, the communicable period, the time period required for transmission of infectious agent from reservoir to a susceptible host, that is controlled by improvement of personal hygiene, improvement of social hygiene, awareness about health, and awareness about disease. The mode of transmission. Communicable disease, that is human pathogen transmission, it is the infection caused by airborne transmission. Then the infection caused by contaminated water, infection caused by contact and feces, and infection caused by pathogens in the bloodstream and tissues. Then mode of transmission, transmission modes. The transmission modes are two, direct and indirect. In direct, there is a physical contact, that is aerosis droplets, and in indirect there is a vehicle involved, that is inanimate fomites etc. And animate means biological, vector borne. Then in animate again two, mechanical and biological. Then in biological there is again three, that is propagative means viruses, cyclodevelopmental, that is filarial worms, and cyclopropagative, for an example malaria. Direct contact, directly transferred from man to man through the close contact, for an example scabies and pediculosis. Mechanical transmission, transmitted mechanically by vectors, for an example diarrhea, dysentery, etc. Biological transmission, disease agent undergoes developmental changes with or without multiplication in vectors. Three types of biological transmissions are: first of all, propagative, only multiplication, no cyclical change, for an example plague bacilli in a rat flea. Then cyclodevelopmental, that is only cyclical changes, no multiplication, for an example filarial parasite is Culex mosquito. Cyclopropagative, both the multiplication in a cyclical and the cyclical changes, that is for an example malarial parasite in Anopheles mosquito. Then the communicable diseases, the learning outcomes from the session. Communicable diseases are as follows: introduction to communicable diseases. So first of all we will see the definition of communicable disease and how the communicable disease is transferred. Then mode of transmission of communicable disease. In mode of transmission we will discuss about the how the communicable disease is spread and transmitted from one person to another person.